Welcome to AzureDirect.com, your place to start with an Azure proof of concept that will be the foundation of your foray into the cloud. Here at Azure Direct, we start your cloud journey with a small foundational experience that you can test and develop into your ultimate goal. We start small and introduce you to proof of concepts that will work across different industries. We look forward to taking a measured approach and achieving your goal to evolve and take advantage of the latest technologies available.
Well, first of all, my name is Sherman Krancer. Thank you so much. Let me go ahead and introduce my team. Andres? All right. With that being said, why don't we go ahead and go around the room just to kind of give me an idea of, just your name, your company, and maybe why you're here. And Tyler, if you don't mind if I pick on you first, we've already been talking a little bit. Would you mind unmuting and just sharing a little bit about why you're here?
Sure, not at all. My name is Tyler Burns, and I work with Federal Protection. We've actually been using Azure for a couple of years. I never actually took any trainings. It was just, reading documentation, that type of thing. So we were offered the attendees training, and so I wanted to jump in and just make sure I wasn't missing anything and make sure I'm doing everything correctly.
Very good. Thank you for your share. Yeah, and what we're going to show you is the how to set it up correctly. Yeah, right. I'm saying this is the direction that Microsoft gives, and this actual lab is exclusive. So we're one of 10 Microsoft partners out there that have access to this, and this is actually the lab that the Microsoft internal folks use to learn. So yeah, I think it'd be really cool to kind of see how logically it's going to come a little bit differently. Because I remember when I set it all up myself, and then I went through this lab, I was like, wow, it seems backwards. But then you get it, and you're like, oh, that makes sense. So thank you for the share. Let's see, Jeff Verbus, would you mind sharing who you are, who you work with, and maybe why you came here today?
Yeah, my name is Jeff Barbus. I work for the University of Advancing Technology, and we're looking to maybe move some of our infrastructure into Azure. We're not decided yet, but we got the invite for this, so I figured I'd hop on and learn a little bit.
Wonderful. And something, a lot of folks, excuse me, a lot of folks in your position are thinking about dual cloud strategies. That's the new thing, right? Dual cloud. Do a hybrid environment, dual cloud, so that you have resources in two different places in case, right? So I think this will be a good just introduction. So we're going to do a tour, and then we're going to go through that. So thank you so much for joining, and thank you for your feedback. Nicholas, are you available to maybe turn off your mic and tell us who you are, where you're from, and what you came here to learn?
Yeah, my name is Nicholas Corradino. I'm with Union West. I am looking to get more information on Azure. We don't really have it implemented where we are right now, but looking for disaster recovery potential and just how to set it up.
Fantastic. Thank you so much. All right, this is going to be great. Yeah, just the kind of the same things I just mentioned. So it'll be a really good taste. So you'll like, oh, okay, it makes sense. So thank you. Dave, can we ask you to chime in as well?
Yeah, my name is Dave Arndt, and I work for the Village of North Aurora, and I'm just interested to see if this is a fit for us. So I just kind of want to see what's what with it.
Cool. Do you use AWS currently?
No, we are a on-prem at the moment, so I'm looking to move us to a cloud environment.
Oh, okay. I think you're going to find that when we do the tour of Azure, you're going to see that how the manipulating it is pretty awesome. Right, so we'll show you that. So look forward to it. All right, let's see. Angelica, do you want to just introduce yourself real quick? I know why you're coming today, but.
Hey guys, my name is Angelica Schmeng. I'm from the Microsoft Cloud team at Synnex Corporation, which is MicroAge's and Krancer Group's partner when it comes to Microsoft Cloud. So we're one of the large distributors there that provide cloud solution providers such as MicroAge services, support, training for them and for their end customers as well. So I'm just here to support MicroAge and Krancer Group.
Thank you so much. James S., could you possibly chime in?
Yeah, my name's James, work for Banker Insulation, and Yeah, on-prem right now, so just haven't dealt with no. Yeah, this is James with Banker Installation.
Thank you. Thank you. Yeah, well, thank you so much for joining and appreciate your feedback there. And then Glenn, would you mind just chiming in real quick?
Yep, my name is Glenn. I work for a community health center. We currently have a small implementation of Azure. Again, like Tyler, I kind of read some docs and did it, but not 100% I've got everything right. So I'm going to follow this video and hopefully learn some new stuff and implement it.
No, my name is Martinez. I'm from Tucson Orthopedic Institute. I'm based out here in Tucson, Arizona, and just kind of want to learn more about Azure and possibly utilizing it as a disaster recovery site, because right now I support 2 hardware infrastructures. And if I can eliminate one site and have it out in the cloud, that would be ideal. And also one of my concerns is definitely how safe will my data be, considering with HIPAA.
Welcome to AzureDirect.com, your place to start with an Azure proof of concept that will be the foundation of your foray into the cloud. Here at Azure Direct, we start your cloud journey with a small foundational experience that you can test and develop into your ultimate goal. We start small and introduce you to proof of concepts that will work across different industries. We look forward to taking a measured approach and achieving your goal to evolve and take advantage of the latest technologies available.
Compliance and all that good stuff.